Imagine, walking distance ka lang sa Mall of Asia, tapos kumikita ka pa sa rental income. Hi everyone, this is Anthony Tayaw, your trusted licensed real estate broker. At ngayon, nandito tayo ngayon sa Short Tree Residences located in Mall of Asia, Pasay City.
Walking distance lang ito sa Mall of Asia, accessible to airport, PTEX, train, and Oceania City. Kung plano mo mag-start ng rental or Airbnb business, Short Tree Residences is the best for you. For only 5% down payment lang at complete requirements, pwede ka nang makamove in sa unit mo. If interesado ka sa price, computation, or available units, pwede tayo mag-set ng site tripping. Just send me a message now.